Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Class. Today we are going to do an IELTS Speaking Part 2 Cue Card. The topic we are going to practice is describe a place with a lot of trees that you would like to visit. Before we start, let's quickly go over what you need to talk about in your answer. So you have to say what the place is, where it is located, how you know about it, why you want to go there, and what it is like. Make sure your answer is clear and fluent, and try to include some vocabulary and phrases that will help you get a higher band score. For this video, the place I have prepared for my sample answer is Jim Corbett National Park located in Uttarakhand, India. It's famous for its forests, wildlife, and natural beauty, making it a perfect place for nature lovers. Before we jump into the sample answer, let's go through some important vocabulary and phrases that I will use. These are useful not only for this cue card but also for IELTS in general. First is dense. It means very thick or closely packed. It's used like for trees or forest. Next is picturesque. It means visually attractive, like a perfect picture. Next is depict. It means to show or describe something. Next is lush. It means very green and healthy. It's used for plants, trees, or landscapes. Next is appealing. It means attractive or interesting. Next is unwind. It means to relax after stress or work. Next is daily grind. It means your regular routine or busy life. Next is recharge batteries. It means regain energy or refresh yourself. Next is winding. It means curving or twisting, not straight. Next is trails. It means paths or routes in nature. Next is rustling. It means soft fluttering sound like leaves in the wind. And the last one is tranquility. It means calmness or peacefulness. Now that we know the key vocabulary, here's a sample answer you can use as a model. A place with a lot of trees that I would really like to visit is Jim Corbett National Park located in Uttarakhand, India. It is one of the oldest and most famous national parks in the country, known for its dense forests, rich wildlife, and picturesque landscapes. I became aware of this place through documentaries, travel blogs, and stories shared by people who have gone there for safaris. The photographs and videos I have seen depict lush greenery and a peaceful natural environment which makes it extremely appealing to nature lovers like me. The primary reason I want to visit Jim Corbett is that I love being close to nature and observing wildlife. Spending time in such a forested area seems like a great way to unwind from the daily grind and recharge my batteries. I also think it would be an exciting experience to see animals in their natural habitat, something that is both thrilling and educational. As for what it is like, the park is covered with tall trees, winding trails, and clear rivers. The air feels fresh and the entire atmosphere is calm and soothing. Walking through the forest, listening to the rustling leaves and chirping birds would surely be a breath of fresh air. Overall, Jim Corbett seems like a perfect combination of adventure and tranquility, making it a place I truly want to experience. That's it for today's cue card. Try practicing this answer aloud and remember to use the vocabulary and phrases we discussed to make your speaking sound more natural and advanced. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learning Class for more IELTS Cue Card topics, vocabulary, and tips. See you in the next video. Bye now.